CBSE, Biology, Class 12, Chapter 6, Molecular Basis of Inheritance. Let us learn the biology chapters through questions and answers, which most of the students prefer. Note that PG here is for page, PR for paragraph in your textbook. Questions are in yellow color while answers are white. How the nucleotides are joined in DNA, RNA structure. A nitrogenous base is linked to the OH of first C-pentose sugar through AN glycosidic linkage to form a nucleoside, such as adenosine or deoxyadenosine, guanosine or deoxyguanosine, cytidine or deoxycytidine, and thymidine or deoxythymidine. A phosphate group is linked to OH of fifth C of a nucleoside through phosphor-ester linkage. A corresponding nucleotide, or deoxynucleotide depending upon the type of sugar present, is formed. Two such nucleotides are linked through third to fifth phosphor-ester linkage to form a dinucleotide. More nucleotides can be joined in such a manner to form a polynucleotide chain. The chemical mechanism of forming of this bond can be understood when you look at the green color circles placed in the diagram here, left to right. What is the speciality of two ends of a polynucleotide chain of DNA? A polynucleotide chain of DNA has at one end a free phosphate moiety at fifth carbon end of sugar, which is termed as 5' of the chain. Similarly, at the other end of the polymer the sugar has a free OH of third carbon group which is referred to as 3' of the polynucleotide chain. What is called the backbone of a polynucleotide chain of DNA? In polynucleotide chains of DNA the backbone is constituted by sugar phosphate, and the nitrogenous bases placed inside, and nitrogenous bases linked to sugar moiety projecting from the backbone. How are the nucleotides of RNA? In RNA, every nucleotide residue has an additional OH group present at second prime position in the ribose. Also, in RNA the uracil is found at the place of thymine. Note that another chemical name for thymine is 5-methyluracil. Who named DNA as nuclein? DNA as an acidic substance present in nucleus was first identified by Friedrich Miescher in 1869. He named it as nuclein. However, due to technical limitation in isolating such a long polymer intact, the elucidation of structure of DNA remained elusive for a very long period of time. Who discovered the famous double helix model of DNA? It was in the year 1953, James Watson and Francis Crick, based on the X-ray diffraction data produced by Maurice Wilkins and Rosalind Franklin, proposed a very simple but famous double helix model for the structure of DNA. What do you think is the mark of excellence in the double helix model of DNA? One of the hallmarks of double helix model was base pairing between the two strands of polynucleotide chains. However, this proposition was also based on the observation of Erwin Chargaff that for a double-stranded DNA, the ratios between adenine and thymine and guanine and cytosine are constant and equals 1. Why the base pairing of DNA polynucleotides is very unique? The base pairing is very unique. They are said to be complementary to each other, so if the sequence of bases in one strand is known then the sequence in other strand can be easily predicted. Also, if each strand from a DNA, let us call it as a parental DNA, acts as a template for synthesis of a new strand, the two double-stranded DNA, let us call them as daughter DNA, thus produced would be identical to the parental DNA molecule. Because of this, the genetic implications of the structure of DNA became very clear.
End of this part. Dear students, share your doubts and questions to this email given below. The question answers of this chapter will be continued in the next video of CBSE Biology Class 12.